Tastes like chicken. Making your own meat, cheese, and egg imitations is actually very easy. The most important thing is to get the taste right. All recipes are really only taste plus texture. In this lesson, we will uncover the secret ingredients for how to make your food taste like greasy meat, how to make your food taste like cheese, how to make your food taste like chicken, and how to make your food taste like egg. The base for the strong meat taste is mushrooms and nuts. The best meaty flavor is achieved by mixing them together. Walnuts and hazelnuts are slightly rugged in their taste and also give a more rounded, heavy flavor. Sunflower seeds are lighter and more salty, giving a less full, more sharp taste. Of the mushroom choices, portobello mushrooms are probably the most popular base for meat. Portobello mushrooms have a steak-type texture, which they retain when dehydrated or cooked and, with a bit of seasoning, can achieve a very convincing meaty taste. One other common base for making vegan steaks is seitan, but we must caution you that it's not gluten-free. As for seasonings, asafoetida powder, a seasoning typically used in Indian cuisine, can give a very convincing greasy taste, slightly resembling egg yolk, which is commonly used in heavy meaty dishes. Garlic, onions including white and red onions, and onion salt, mustard and black pepper or nutmeg powder as a pepper substitute are commonly used as barbecue seasoning. Most herbal steak seasonings will also give your recipes a good push in the greasy meat direction. Soy sauce and its substitutes, coconut aminos, namashoyu, and tamari, have an aged taste that gives a more gourmet shade. Two other spices can be used to capture some of the less noticeable flavor notes to meat. Paprika is slightly earthy, and sun-dried tomatoes resemble a ketchup nuance. Cheese. The main bases for creating vegan cheese are nuts and coconuts. Some vegan chefs even say that there is a different type of nut for each type of cheese. Cashew nuts have the sweet and sour creamy taste that cheese normally has. Pine nuts are slightly lighter in taste and have a saltier edge. Thai coconut meat is a great substitute for more creamy recipes. It gives a slightly sweeter direction and makes a very convincing yogurt when mixed with lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs. Another great base is almonds, which are very light in taste and can be used for making Greek cheeses. Some cooks also like to use cornstarch, potato starch, and tapioca starch. We should caution you as these might be highly processed. As for the seasonings, garlic gives a slightly more crispy taste related to harder cheeses. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice will help you achieve the slightly sour taste that cheese gets when fermented, particularly apple cider vinegar because it is fermented as well. Some cooks like to use nutritional yeast, a deactivated yeast, and miso to also achieve this taste, but beware if you are sensitive to yeast issues or fungal growth issues. Chicken. The easiest base for chicken is Thai coconut meat. It is similar in texture, simple to work with, has a mild taste, and takes seasonings easily. Jackfruit also has a similar texture to chicken breast. Another chicken base is tofu, which is made of soy milk. Though popular, we'd caution as to the fact that 85% of soybeans worldwide are GMO, or genetically modified, and also tofu may be hard to digest. For recipes that don't need to look and feel like meat, for example, nuggets, you can use nuts and chickpeas. Seasonings. Chicken curry masala, an amazing miracle worker from India produced by the MDH brand, is a spice blend which has been used for generations. It gives anything a spicy, slightly greasy grilled or fried chicken taste. In addition, since the flavor has a non-Western direction, you get some valuable exotic taste tones. Soy sauce and its substitutes, coconut aminos and namashoyu or tamari, have an aged taste that gives a more gourmet shade. Rosemary and turmeric would give a slightly earthy taste. Rosemary is suitable for European dishes, and turmeric, being more of the homemade taste, is suitable for East Asian recipes. Garlic has a more edgy sharpness, which can work for both. Maple syrup can give you the added sweetness of chicken. The ketchup nuance of sun-dried tomatoes enriches the taste and takes it in the direction of chili sauce. Chili sauce, if you can make it yourself unprocessed, would be another great taste addition to your vegan chicken. Egg. The flavor and texture of egg is achieved by a mixture of ingredients, some earthy to the taste and some are bland. Thai coconut meat is a very easy base for egg recipes because it bears similarity to boiled egg in texture and has a very mild taste. For the egg yolk, some cooks like to use squash. For scrambled eggs, some cooks use chickpeas as the base. Again, some prefer tofu, but as mentioned, beware of the source as it could contain GMO, and also watch out for any digestion issues. As for the seasonings, 3 easy spices can give the direction of the egg yolk, both in taste and in color. Asafoetida powder is excellent in creating the pinchy sour egg taste. Turmeric and mustard are good for the earthy egg yolk flavor. For the more delicate sour taste of the egg white, you can use apple cider vinegar and lemon juice. This concludes our lesson on making your food taste like meat, chicken, cheese, and eggs. Next, you have a quick lesson on some cook-tested tricks to get Asian, gourmet, and exotic flavors.